So just up here we can see a rare black cockatiel on the footpath. I don't know how close I'm going to be able to get. Oh, look at this. Magpie geese. They're a bit more common. Or they look like magpies. Back to the cockatiels. Yeah, I don't know how close I'm going to be able to get before they fly away. That's a crow or something. Not that thing. These guys. It's what, 10 o'clock? Almost 30 degrees. 29 degrees Celsius. It's like, yeah, they're flying away. They're so pretty. They've got a red bit on their tail, a red bit on their neck. We might catch them again. If I get closer again, I'll see if I can make another video. I think they're up in that tree over there. There's a water hen. They got a big long nose. I think that's a water hen. I can't see it from here. Yeah, big long nose. And white, black head, white body, black head. And they're pretty common around here too. You can see the black cockatiels in the tree. You just see the outline. Two of them, one there and one there. I'll go a little slower this time. Yeah, it's about 100% humidity. It's pretty miserable. Shirt is soaked already. And they're loud as fuck. Close up. The water hen doesn't care so much about people. It's like, I'm not very good eating. To be honest, cockatiels aren't, but they're a little bit more sketchy. They don't like people. I was getting chased by a little plover or something. And they are loud. Okay, don't know if we're gonna see him again. All right, catch ya. Oh, there's a little Maggie there too. If he starts singing, I'll keep the video going. They have a very pretty song. Perfect. Sometimes they go a little bit longer than that. Perfect. Yeah, that's what they sound like. Sometimes they'll go 5-10 minutes like that, just singing. But yeah, a white blackbird. See if I could get a good shot of him. Yeah, it's hard. It might be hard to see on video. He looks pissed. It's like, go away. Two of them up there. Thanks for the song. See you, buddy. All right, and we're off. Oh yeah, this is the river through the middle of Mackay. mostly for irrigation upstream for the sugar cane. Yeah, but I think this is the irrigation river. But yeah, we're in near town Mackay, or near downtown Mackay. We're on the south side, I think. To be honest, I don't really know my way around very well, but it's very pretty. It's a nice little footpath. Goes through the middle of suburbia. Don't know if you could really call it suburbia around here, but this is a nice little walk. Yeah, it's hot though. Need to get out earlier than this if you want to go for a run. Have to remember that for next time. Anyway, that's it. Catch you later.